Hi, welcome back. Myself KK Singh. I'm GG Leader Agra, and I'm a gold certified trainer and innovator as well. So we discussed VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. We discussed XLOOKUP in Google Sheets, and the third lookup I'm going to see is the H lookup. That is the horizontal lookup. When we talk about VLOOKUP, we usually say we are uh, looking for the value vertically, whereas in H lookup we should say we are going to look up a value in a row. So how to do this? For that I am going to take you to the my Google Sheets. So here this is my Google Sheet, and I want to discuss HLOOKUP here. So what I'm going to show you. So there are some books, and these books are uh, some of the books are having softback and some of the books are having hardback, and total number of books are available. Like artificial intelligence we have 703 books, computer science books we have 1240 books, and in mathematics we have only 885 books, and computer application we have 1220 books. And what I want to know, out of these titles, I mean artificial intelligence, computer science, math, computer application, for any particular title or topic, I want to know how many books are there for that particular title. So if you see horizontally, if you look this row, means fourth row. If you look this fourth row, you will get there are 703 books of artificial intelligence and computer science and mathematics and computer application. So what we want, I want to find out how many books are present in my library of this title or this topic. So how to do this? So we can obviously we'll start the formula with equal sign. So I'll give the equal sign here, equal, and then HL, H lookup, and what I want to search. I want to search this key. Okay, I want to search how many books are there for this particular topic or for this particular title. So I'm going to search B7 here. In which range? In which range I want to search this title? So I'm going to specify the range. In this range, I want to search the books of the particular title, that is artificial intelligence, comma, and this time in place of column, as we were doing in VLOOKUP, we used to search the particular index, that is the column. But over here I am going to search the index which should be in the form of the row. So I want to have total number of titles of that particular title, that is artificial intelligence. So I'll have to give which row, that is the fourth row. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So this is the index. So I'll have to give 4 here. And then is sorted. For exact match, I'll have to give 0 here. Okay. And close the parenthesis and press the enter key. So here, see, I was searching for artificial intelligence. So total number of titles of artificial intelligence are 703. So with the H lookup, we'll have to look horizontally and we'll have to find out the index which is in the form of the row. For example, if I change the title here, say maths, so it automatically changes. It is automatically changed, and it turns to 885. And if I change this to computer science, this automatically changes to 1240. So this is basically lookup function. So hope you understood the difference of lookup and VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, we used to search for the particular index that is in the form of the column, whereas in lookup we search for the index which is in the form of the row. So this is only difference between lookup and VLOOKUP. So hope you understood the concept or the difference of VLOOKUP and lookup. And if you got the idea of lookup, kindly share with your friends and your superiors and bring it in your day-to-day working tasks. So we'll meet in the next video with some other scenario and some other commands. Thank you.